Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Fitbit to Google Fit detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your Fitbit to Google Fit, start by ensuring your Fitbit is fully charged and your smartphone is connected to the internet. Download and install the Google Fit app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the Google Fit app on your smartphone. Create a Google account if you don't already have one, or sign in with your existing account. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of the Fitbit app installed on your smartphone. Open the Fitbit app and sign in with your Fitbit account credentials. Once you are signed in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or the account icon. Scroll down to find the Linked Accounts section. In the Linked Accounts section, look for Google Fit and you will see an option to connect or link your Google Fit account. Tap on the Connect option, and you will be prompted to grant the Fitbit app access to your Google Fit data. Review the permissions and tap Allow to proceed. Once the apps are linked, you will receive a confirmation that Fitbit is now connected to Google Fit. You can now sync your fitness data between Fitbit and Google Fit. To ensure everything is functioning properly, check your Google Fit app for the latest activity and health data synced from your Fitbit. If you encounter any issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting the accounts from the Fitbit app. Remember to regularly check both apps for updates to maintain seamless integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.